All right, boys and girls, I hope that little talk helped you with patience. And the next time you're tested for patience, I hope you'll whisper up a little prayer and say, Dear Heavenly Father, please help me to be patient as I wait my turn to speak or to play or to react or to act. God will be more than willing to help us with our patience. But remember, He's going to test us. That's how you develop it. You're tested to see whether your patience can develop more and more. All right, boys and girls. We are also going to be continuing our study on birds. And today we are going to be talking about the shoebill bird. How do you think it gets its name? I think you'll know as soon as you see it. And I have some other questions that I'd like for you to consider as you watch the video. The first one is, how tall can the shoebill grow? I think you're going to be really surprised. You probably have seen this particular bird on different shows like cartoons and different children's shows. Some of you might have thought that it really wasn't a bird, but it really, really is. It's from Africa, the shoebill bird. Now, the next question I'd like for you to consider is, what is at the end of its bill or beak, and why is it there? What is it used for? So what's at the end of its long bill or beak, and what is it used for? And then the last question is a strange question and answer. Why does it defecate on itself? That means it goes to the bathroom on its legs, and it doesn't try to clean it off. Why does it do that? See what the answer is as we watch our videos for today on the shoebill bird.